I'm Jadina Ingestock Esquire. You can call me Attorney J. And I am called, purpose, and positioned to draw you back unto God's will for you. I want to talk about 3 steps on how self compassion can propel you to your purpose while navigating the divorce process. Number 2 is practicing self compassion. We know that in James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4, that's where the scripture talks about how we should consider it pure joy when we face trials, because trials are not to kill us, right? Trials creates our perseverance. It builds us up so that we lack nothing at all. Isaiah 40, verse 31 says, when you grow weary in this divorce process, he will give you strength. You will even have the strength of eagles. So don't be so weary that you can't practice self-compassion. Self-compassion is when we are removing yourself away from guilt and shame, where you are being kind to yourself like you would be to somebody else in this circumstance. It builds you up so that you have the strength to go through this process. 2 tips on how you can start practicing self-compassion. First is positive self-talk. Second is practice self-care routines. Positive self-talk is primarily when you are kind to yourself. When you are speaking positively, affirmations, getting rid of that negative talk, getting rid of considering what caused you to get here, but who are you? What are you called to and what comes next? Allowing yourself to be okay with the fact that you're hurt, but not staying in that hurt. Self-care routines are taking a walk, taking a nap, a long bath. That thing that makes you feel well, that makes you well, that makes you smile, that brings joy to your heart. Like, share, subscribe, and my link in the bio has free resources and the application for the upcoming divorce bootcamp. See you there.